Hi, I'm Crowin. I'm a content creator and a co-founder of a media production company. Today, we're talking about one of my favorite topics, video editing. While video editing might seem like a daunting task, especially if you're new to it, Adobe Express is perfect for users with little to no experience in video editing. When you need a quick browser-based video edit without the need of any additional downloads, Adobe Express can really come in handy. So if you run a small business, you might need a fast way to trim a testimonial video, for example, or even Instagram stories for an event that's happening near your storefront and you want to showcase that. Adobe Express enables you to undertake all of these actions with ease. So let me show you how we can create a product showcase video that you might want to showcase on your brand socials, for example. Let's dive right in. First, head to adobe.com/express. Click on the Get Started and upload new media. Now I've got this video clip of fragrance that I want to showcase. So let me just click on Create New, and I want to create this for an Instagram story. And you've got your whole clip on the timeline. Now the really cool thing with Adobe Express is that you have a bunch of different tools for video. You can remove a background, you can fill in the video as well. You can enhance speech if you have a voiceover. You have different opacity options. You can round the corners, you can adjust position, etc. You even got effects that you could change for the tones of the video. You got animations, you got ins, loops, outs, tons of different options for you to create something really cool, really quickly. So let's get back to this video. And this is our timeline. If I'm going to scrub through here, and I don't need this entire 19 seconds. So I'm just going to find a spot, probably around here, pull and drag, and I'll trim it down to about, let's say, 3.5 seconds. I think this looks fine. This looks good. I don't really like the background because of this weird box thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and see how Adobe Express removes this background. So I'm going to click on Remove Background and let it do its magic. Bear in mind, this might take a while depending on how complex your scene is. And voila, it's removed the background pretty cleanly. Exactly what I wanted. Now we've got a city on fire. So let's go into our media tab. Let's try and look for some cool videos of, let's say, a flame. Let's get, oh, this looks pretty nice. These look pretty cool. Let's try this one. I'm gonna drag it, bring it out here. And it's covering the front of the video. So you can use the layers tab, pull the layer off the fire below. You've got this lovely image of the city on fire. So you select this and I drag it down a bit here just to have that effect. Let me just have a quick view. That's pretty cool. What I'll do is I'm going to slow down the speed of my fragrance bottle just so it kind of stays in place. Doesn't have that weird jittery motion about. And it looks much better. Fantastic. I like that. You can add a lot more ideas if you want. Perhaps I want to use another element just to make it a bit more cooler. I would probably use a bit of smoke. And that looks fine. All right, let's click on fill the video. So it kind of zooms in completely. Bring the layer down a bit here. And now we've kind of lost our flames. So let's use opacity. Let's click on screen. And now we've got your smoke along with your fire. You can even duplicate this layer, bring this above your fragrance. You can reduce the opacity a touch on the back as well. So we've got this segment sorted out already. So now let's add a closing segment. Let's upload from our device. I want to add this in. Let's trim this down. Probably put it from around here. Just keep it around 3.5 seconds as well. We can slow it down a bit. Do that, just that. Yes, perfect. We can add in a transition so that we have a lovely dissolve between this and that. And toss in some text. Let's add in a call to action. Put this up here. You can change the text, subtext, etc. That's it. You could add in audio from Adobe Express's music library. You could also add a recorder voiceover if you want. Yeah, let's just put Deep House Blues. Let's have a quick look at that. Oh, that looks pretty cool. So once you're happy with that, just click on download. Click on your download file. get it done. And while you're at it, you could even turn your file into a reel or into an Instagram square post. There you have it. What are you waiting for? Try Adobe Express now. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Till then, I'll see you next time.